Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the real deal with BullionVault, your go-to platform for online gold trading in 2025. With gold prices soaring and economic uncertainty on the rise, more people are turning to digital platforms like this to secure their investments. But is BullionVault as golden as it seems? Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is BullionVault? It's an online service that lets you buy, sell, and store physical gold and silver without the hassle of dealing with coins or bars yourself. Founded back in 2006, it's now a trusted name for investors worldwide, especially with its advanced security features in 2025. You get your own vault storage in professional facilities, which means your gold is safe from theft or damage. Now, let's talk pros. One of the biggest wins is transparency. BullionVault shows you real-time prices and lets you track your assets easily through their user-friendly app. Fees are straightforward too. You pay a small annual storage fee and a transaction cost, which is often lower than traditional brokers. Plus, it's accessible from anywhere, making it perfect for beginners dipping their toes into gold trading. But hold on, it's not all shiny. On the downside, if you're new to trading, the platform might feel a bit overwhelming at first with its detailed charts and options. There are also risks involved in any investment, like market volatility, and while BullionVault is secure, it's not immune to global events that could affect gold prices. Another thing to watch is the minimum investment amount, which might be a barrier for smaller budgets. So, is BullionVault worth it? Absolutely, if you're serious about gold as a hedge against inflation, especially in 2025's economy. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investment tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together.